Hey, welcome back to another Motion Gladiator tutorial. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to flat icon design a snowman. So let's jump right in. Okay, I'm going to start with the body. So I'm going to grab my ellipse tool and we'll match to the hand sketch. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the fill. Then I'm going to select the circle and we'll go to the stroke panel and we'll give a decent stroke weight. I think 10 will be enough, and I'm gonna put the align stroke to center as well. Okay, then I'm gonna go for the head. I'm gonna draw another circle like this. Okay, then I'm gonna select both of them and go to the pathfinder panel and make them unite. Then I'm gonna go draw the sweater of the snowman. To do that, I'm gonna grab my pen tool and we'll start to draw like this. Okay, then I'm gonna draw the bottom part of the sweater. Then I'm gonna select it, right click, arrange, send to back. Okay, then I'm gonna draw the hat. So to do that, I'm gonna start with the oval. Okay, I'm gonna rotate it. I'm gonna match my hand sketch. Okay, then the top part of the hat. For that, I'm gonna use the pen tool. Okay, great. Now I'm gonna color them. I'm gonna select the hat, then the sweater, and make the fill as the subject. Then go to the swatches and make it red. Okay, now we can tweak a bit if you want. Okay, looks great. Then I'm gonna create the hands and the nose. For that, I'm gonna use the pen tool. Okay, I'm gonna select them. Then go to the stroke panel and we'll give the cap to a round cap. Okay, now let's move to the nose. Then again the pen tool. Then I'm gonna get rid of the fill color and we'll go to the stroke panel and we'll give the corner to round join. Okay, then I'm going for the eyes. Then again the ellipse tool like this. Then I'm gonna switch the stroke to the fill. Okay, great. Then I'm gonna make a copy for the other side. Okay, now I'm gonna hide my hand sketch layer. Okay, great. So this is how to flat icon design a snowman. I hope to see you soon with another informative tutorial. Goodbye.